Hello everybody and welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to change your screen resolution for your game on Steam. This usually helps with the black bars on the sides or your game is on a resolution that's bigger than your screen is, so it makes it look like it's zoomed in, or the resolution is too small. So this is going to be how you're going to do it. So for mine, this right here is the width, the left number, the right number is the height. So, and you'll always want to go with recommended to look off of. So, because recommended is your full screen. Now, here's how the codes go work. The Steam screen resolution code people had trouble with. Well, this right here, let me go here. So this right here, this part of the code that's highlighted, is for your screen width. Dash W means means width, and the dash H means height. Now, how do you put this in? Well, you put dash W space, then your screen width, then space, and then dash H, and then space, and then your screen height, without the parentheses or the quotations. So, and here's how you would do it. First, you open Steam, you go to your taskbar and search for it, or click run in steam.exe, and we're going to test it on Rocket League. So you go properties, and you'll see the screen under general. You're going to go to set launch options. Now, the main thing you want to do is start off with dash W, put space, and put your screen resolution for the width. So you want to put the first part of your screen resolution, which is the biggest number. So 1360 is mine. Then I put space, and then I put dash H, and then for the height, it's your screen height. So for mine, it's 768, and I hit OK. So yeah, so as long as you got code looking like this, if it looks similar to this, you're doing it right. But you gotta make sure that you put your screen height and your screen width. It's crucial that you put your screen width and height, not mine. And then you hit OK, then you hit close, and then you run the game. And after you run the game, you will see that instead of there being black bars like on the side, or your resolution being zoomed in all the way, where you can't do anything, or it being too small, this is how you fix it. And now, when I go in here, it's a white screen whenever this loads. For me, Rocket League does. It does this every now and then. But now you can see that we're in full screen mode. And then once you do that, you can go to interface or your video settings, and then you can adjust the performance and all that. But and it'll show the resolution. At least for Rocket League, it'll show under resolution the resolution you set, just to make sure you had it right. And now I'll go back, exit the game, and now your game will not ever have the black bars, and it will not be zoomed in and impossible to use. So now that ends this video for today, but I would like to say thank you for everyone for the support, and keep the comments coming. What helps, what you think should be on this channel, what tutorials I should do, and yeah. So without further ado, I'm signing off.